Hello everyone, I am Upasana Taneja, and in this video we have this very beautiful question. They are saying in the figure below, M and N. This M and N are the centers of two semicircles. As you can see, we are given two semicircles, right? Okay, then they are saying each of them, this one has radii 9 centimeter. So what will I do? I will join radius to the tangent, and as you know that this is a perpendicular, so this is 9 centimeter. Okay, then they are saying that radii of this semicircle, so I will join this as well. So this semicircle is what? This is also perpendicular here. This is 16 centimeters, right? Okay, then they are saying ST is a common tangent. This is a tangent, right? ST and P and Q, this is a tangent. We need to find the length of this PQ. What will be the length of this PQ, right? This is our problem. So how should we proceed now to find the length of PQ? What should we use? So if you see here and from M to this QN, this radii, if I draw a perpendicular, so we will draw a perpendicular. This is our construction. We will draw a perpendicular. So this is a 90-degree angle, right? This is 90-degree angle. Now if this is 90 degrees, suppose I say this point as R. Okay, so you can write drawing a perpendicular from M to QN, right? So this is 90 degree. As you know, this will also be equal to 90 degree, right? Because this is a straight line, right? Okay, as you can see that P, Q, M, R is a quadrilateral, right? Okay, and in this quadrilateral, three angles, we know that these are 90 degree. So fourth angle will also be equal to 90 degree, right? Angle sum property of quadrilateral, that sum of four angles is 360. So this will be equal to 90 degree. Now this is that means this is not a quadrilateral, this is a rectangle. A quadrilateral but rectangle, okay? Now we know special quadrilateral, that this is a rectangle and all angles are 90 degree. Okay, so now we know. So out of this, when we draw perpendicular, so this side will also be equal to 9, right? So this length will be equal to 9 and this length will be equal to what? This length will be equal to 7 centimeter. Why? Because the whole length QN is 16 and QR is 9. So Rn will be equal to 16 minus 9, that is 7 centimeter, right? But now what is our job? Our job is to find this MR. Why? Because if I will be able to find this MR, this line, and we know that MR is equal to PQ. Why? Because MR and PQ are equal because this is a rectangle, right? So what do I do now? I find MR. Now how can I find MR? Do I know this thing? MN. Okay, let us find MN now. What is MN? MN is equal to MN. So if I join this, take this as O, suppose. Okay, MN is equal to MO plus ON, right? What is MO? This is radius. So this is equal to 9, right? And this is radius of this semicircle. This is equal to 16, right? So that means MN is equal to 25 centimeter. 16 plus 9 is 25, right? Okay, so now what will we do? Now we know what is MN now and we know what is RN. So, and we can see in right angle triangle, if you see this right angle triangle MRN, this is a right angle triangle and you can apply Pythagoras theorem here, right? Okay, So mr square, right, plus rn square is equal to mn square, right? This mn is hypotenuse here. You can see this is 90 degree, right? Okay, what is mr square? We don't know. We say mr square plus rn square is 7 square. 7 square, that means 49. What is mn square? Mn square is 25 whole square, or here you can write 7 square only. In next step we will write mr square is equal to, what is 25 square? 625 minus 7 square is 49. So mr square is equal to 576, that is equal to 24 square. So mr is equal to 24. Now we have found out that this is 24. If this is 24 centimeter, and we know PQMR is a rectangle, right? So this since PQMR is a rectangle, this implies MR is equal to PQ, and hence PQ is equal to what? 24 centimeter, and we are done. So this problem was very simple, very easy, though beautiful as well. We need to practice such questions a lot. If you understood this, do subscribe to my channel and please visit my channel for more such questions. We have Maths Olympiad questions, we have short tricks, and we have concept based questions as well. Thank you.